Gineers, we are going to discuss how to create a bundle master product. To begin, a bundle product is when items are sold in a set with at least 2 products included, which can be used to manage your inventory to be sold as a set. Take note that each bundle master SKU is counted as one product sold. First, we go to the master page, and under Add Product, click Add Bundle Product. Fill in the product information needed, including the selling price and your own master SKU name for the bundle. Click Add Master SKU and choose the products to be included in the bundle. Input how many pieces of that product you want to include. For example, we will create Bundle C, which includes 1 piece of pants and 1 piece of shirt. At the same time, you are selling the pants and shirts individually. Bundle C will have 5 available stocks since you can only create 5 combinations of the individual products. When a buyer purchases 2 shirts separately, the available stock will be 4. Bundle C's available stock will also change to 4. Once saved, go back to Master and look for the bundle master product you created. If the bundle product is not yet listed in your stores, you can click Publish to Store to list the item. If the bundle product is already listed in your stores, click on the Variation column and look for the specific channel listings to bind to this bundle master product to centralize the inventory. There are some things you have to remember, Gineers. First, the bundle master product will follow the available stocks of the individual SKUs you have included in the bundle. Second, the bundle master product will only have the available stock. Lastly, once the bundle master product is created, included products cannot be changed. To edit, you will need to recreate the bundle master product. That is it, Gineers. See you in our next videos!